Good day, friends. We were discussing on the second central tendency, that is median. In the previous video, we have seen the solve sums on page number 142, 43, 44 based on median. Before that, we have seen mean by three different methods: direct method, assumed method, step derivation method. In the last video, we have seen median. For median, only one method is there, only one formula. Median is equal to capital L plus into bracket n by 2 minus C of cumulative frequency of less than type upon F common F bracket complete into H. H is the class width of the median class. How to find out the median class? Based on the summation of frequency column, that is capital N value divided by 2. Capital N divided by 2, whatever value will come, that we have to check it in the C of cumulative frequency, which is the first bigger than N by 2 value. That class will be the median class. Lower limit of the median class in the continuous form is capital L. CF is the cumulative frequency of the previous class of the median class. F is the frequency of the median class, and H is the class width, that is the difference between upper and lower limit of the median class. We will get the median of given information, statistical information. Let us see few sums which are on page number 145, practice set 6.2. First sum 6.2, question number 1. We'll be needing class, then continuous class. If the classes are not continuous, then frequency and CF. So first we will write given classes. So here the first class is 8 to 10, next is 10 to 12, next is 12 to 14, and the last is 14 to 16. Frequency is given 150, then 500, then 300, and the next is 50. What is there in the question? Following table shows classification of number of workers and the number of hours they work in a software company. Number of workers and the number of hours they work in a software company. Find the median of the number of hours they work. So here daily number of hours 8 to 10 hours. How many workers works? 150 workers in the software company. They works for 8 to 10 hours. There are few workers who works 10 to 12 hours a day, that are 500 workers. There are workers who works to 12 hours to 14 hours a day, that are 300 workers. And the workers working hours 14 to 16 hours a day, means maybe the double shift, will be 50 workers. Now based on this, find the median of the number of hours they work. So few are working for 8 to 10 hours, few are working for 14 to 16 hours. We want to find out in an average, how much hours in this company the workers working, either 10 hours or 12 hours or 14 hours. That is the required answer for this question 6.2, question number 1. So we'll find out summation of Fi, that is nothing but the capital N value 0, then on 10 plus 5 plus 5 10, so again 1 0, I will write it here, carry 1, then 100 plus 1 plus 1 2 plus 5 2 plus 5 7 7 plus 3 10. So total workers are 1000. It will give us n by 2 value, n upon 2, 1000 upon 2, that is 500. Now CF, cumulative frequency less than type, CF, that is the third column. So first class, second is frequency, and next is CF, cumulative frequency. Here one column is missing, that is continuous classes, because already in the given information only the classes are continuous. Two successive classes, upper limit and lower limit, 10 10. Two successive classes, upper and lower limit. Two successive classes, upper and lower limit, they are same, so the classes are continuous. Not necessary to again make them continuous, we cannot. Now cumulative frequency of less than type, so addition from top to bottom. First frequency as it is 150, 150 plus 500, it gives 650. 650 plus 300, 950. And 950 plus 50,000, this value always match with each other. The cross checking that our calculations are correct in the table. Now, this will decide which is the median class. First, cumulative frequency, which is more than n by 2. N by 2 is 500. So in the cumulative frequency column, first cumulative frequency which is more than 500, the value is 650. Before that 150, it is smaller than n by 2, smaller than 500. So more than 500 is 650. So this class will be our median class. Median class. Now, values of L, then CF, then F, lower limit of the median class in continuous form. These are the continuous classes. Lower limit of the median class, so L is equal to 10. Capital L is 10. Cumulative frequency of previous class of the median class is the value of CF. Cumulative frequency of previous class of the median class. Median class is this. Previous class cumulative frequency is 150. 150. F, in the formula F is also there. F is the frequency of the median class. This is median class. Frequency of the median class is 500. So value of F is 500. This is CF value 150. Now the remaining is H. Class width is, when the classes are in continuous form, difference between the upper and lower limit. These are continuous form. Upper and lower limit 12 and 10. Difference between them 12 minus 10 is equal to 2. So L value, CF value, F value and H value. So median is equal to, formula of median, L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency upon F into H. This is the formula we use to find out the median, and only one formula, not like mean, the three difference method. In mean only we have three different methods: direct, assume mean, step deviation. For median only one formula, and based on that only we will be solving in your syllabus. So value of L is 10 plus into bracket n by 2 is 500 plus cumulative, sorry, not plus, minus CF value, cumulative frequency, that is 150 upon F. F is 500, frequency of the median class, into H is class width, that is 2. This will give us median for question number 1 of 6.2. So 10 as it is, plus into bracket 500 minus 150. 500 minus 150, it remains 350. 350 upon 500, and it will be multiplied by 2. So 10 will get cancelled. For the remaining 10 as it is, plus 35 into 2, 35 to the 70. 70 upon 50, again 10 can be cancelled. So remaining is here 10 plus 7 upon 5. So 7 will be divided by 5, or we can try by LCM. 10 5s are 50, 50 plus 7, 57, 57 upon 5 will be giving us the final answer. 5 1s are 5, again 5 1s are 5, remainder is 2. So decimal point will make 2 as 20, 5 4s are 20. So 11.4 hours, because these are the number of hours in a day the workers are working. So in an average, the median hours the workers are working is 11.4 hours, means maybe it is 11 hours and 40 minutes. So in this way we have the solution for median of 6.2, question number 1. I hope you people understood it. First sum. Now let us continue with the second sum. What is second sum in 6.2? Formula will be same for all the median questions. Only the information which is provided to us will change as per the question. So here sum number 2. Let us see what is the information given to us in sum number 2. In that, the frequency distribution table shows the number of mango trees in a grow and their yield of mangoes find the median of data, number of mangoes and number of trees. Number of mangoes, how many mangoes are given by how many trees. So number of mangoes 50 to 100, 100 to 150. So already the information is in continuous form. So classes, then frequency, and then cumulative frequency. First class is 50 to 100. Next is 100 to 150. Next class is 150 to 200. Next is 200 to 250. And the last is 250 to 300. So here number of trees. The trees which are giving mangoes in between 50 to 100, that trees are 33 trees. The trees which are giving mangoes 100 to 150 mangoes per tree, that trees are 30 trees. Giving 150 to 200 mangoes per tree, that trees are 90 trees. Giving 200 to 250 mangoes per tree, 80 trees are there. And giving 250 to 300, this many mangoes, number of trees are 17. Total of this will be value of n, and then n by 2, and then cumulative frequency. So here the total is 7 plus 3 10, carry 1, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 9 15, 15 plus 8 23, 23 plus 1 24, 24 plus carried 1 25. 250 will be value of capital N. Based on that, we'll be finding now n by 2. N by 2 will be 250 upon 2, that is 125, which will help us to find out median class. Before that, cumulative frequency of less than type should be found. First frequency as it is 33. 33 plus 30, it gives 63. 63 plus 90, 153. 153 plus 80, it gives 233. 233 plus 17, it gives 250. Cross checking is value of n, and the last CF should be same, matching. So calculation is correct. Now let us decide the median class. N by 2 value is 125, which is the first CF more than 125. First cumulative frequency more than 125. 33 less than 125. 63 less than 125. 153 is the first cumulative frequency which is more than 125. So this class will be the median class. Now, as this is the median class, lower limit in the continuous form. Lower limit, classes are continuous, lower limit, that is L is equal to 150, L is 150. CF is cumulative frequency of the previous class of the median class. Cumulative frequency of the median class is 153. Cumulative frequency of the previous class of the median class is 63. F, value of S is the frequency of the median class, and that is here frequency of the median class is 90. And H, class width, the difference between upper and lower limit when the classes are continuous. Already the classes are continuous. Difference between upper and lower limit 200 minus 150, the difference is 50. So these are the required values which will help us to find out median of question number 2. Let us substitute the values in median is equal to capital L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H, where L is the lower limit of the median class, CF is the cumulative frequency of the previous class of the median class, F is the frequency of the median class, and H is class width of the median class when the classes are continuous. Let us substitute the values here. L, value of L is 150 plus n by 2 is 125 minus CF, CF is 63 upon F, F value is 90, bracket complete, into H value is 50. So equal to 150 plus 125 minus 63, the difference is 5 minus 3, 2, and 12 minus 6 will be 6. upon 90 into 50. So 0 can be cancelled here. Now for the remaining terms, 150 as it is, plus 62 into 5. 5 2s are 10, carry 1, 5 6 are 30, plus 1, 31 upon 9. So first we'll simplify this, and that will be added to 150. So can be equal to 150 plus 310 divided by 9. So 9 ones are 9 threes are 27. 31 minus 27, remaining is 4. 4 and this additional 0, it will use 40. 9 4s are 36. There we have 40. 40 minus 36, again remainder is 4. So decimal point, 4 will convert into 40. Again 9 4s are 36. Again 4 remains, 9 4s are 36. So it is recurring. So till t digit it is okay to write. 150 plus 34.44 will be giving us the final answer. As if we'll add them, it will be 0.44 will be as it is. Then again 4, 5 plus 3, 8 and 1, 184.44. And here we are calculating the number of mangoes in an average number of mangoes given by tree when studied 250 trees. These are the number of trees. 250 trees are studied which can give the mangoes in between 50 to 300 in an average. Suppose that is a garden of mangoes where 250 trees are there in that garden. In an average per tree, how many mangoes we receive? That will be this answer, 184.44. So instead of mentioning mango in decimal form, better to mention in proper numeric term. 184.44 is nothing but approximately equal to 184. If after the decimal point the digit is 5 or more than 5, then 1 can be added in the previous. If this digit is smaller than 5, it can be considered as it is 184. So in an average, the mangoes given by the mango trees, answer is here 184. Solution for sum number 2. I hope you understood. We'll continue with sum number 3 of 6.2, which is again based on same median formula, but the information provided will be little different based on the statistical information on page number 145. Sum number 3. Given classes are: the following table shows the classification of number of vehicles and their speed on Mumbai-Pune Expressway. It shows the vehicles and their speed on the expressway. Find the median of the given data. So here the classes: average speed of vehicles in kilometer per hour, 60 to 64 speed, 10 vehicles. 64 to 69 speed, 34 vehicles. Then 72 74 vehicle speed, 55 vehicles. 75 to 79, 85 vehicles. 79 to 84 speed, 10 vehicles. And 84 to 89 speed, 6 vehicles. This information is provided in question number 3. I think there is some printing mistake because first class 62 to 64, gap is of 4. Second class 64 to 69, so here the gap is of 5. Next class is 70 to 74. The next is 75 to 79, again 79 to 84 and 84 to 89. So these are continuous, these are continuous, so these all classes are continuous, and first two are also continuous. So while writing this class, there is some printing mistake because in one question it is not possible that few classes are continuous and few are discontinuous. So the correction is this class should have, see the difference is here of 4 everywhere. 79 and 75 difference is 4. 84 and 79 difference is 4. 89 and 84 difference is of, sorry, here the difference is of 5. Here also the difference is of 5, so we need to maintain the difference. If we want difference 5, 89 minus 5, 84, 84 minus 5, 79, 79 minus 5, it should be 74, 74 minus 5, 69, 69 minus 5, 64, 64 minus 5, it should be 59 here. Okay, so this can be continuous classes. To do this correction in the question, as per my experience, I am making it. If little bit changes, you can consider as per available, or we will share it again. Now, how many vehicles are studied? That is value of capital N. So at the unit place, 4, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 6, 20. So 0 carry 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, 16 plus 4, 20. 200 vehicles are studied. It will use N by 2 value 200 upon 2, and by 2 is 100. Now, cumulative frequency less than type. First frequency as it is, 10 plus 34 is 44, 44 plus 55 is 99, 99 plus 85, 184, 184 plus 10, 194, 194 plus 6, 200. Cross checking is value of N, and the last CF should be same, so it is matching, so calculations are correct. Now, to decide the median class, first CF which is more than 100, first CF 10, 44, 99, all these three are less than 100. First CF more than 100 is 184. First CF more than N by 2 value N by 2 is 100. First CF more than 100 is 184. So this class is median class. Now lower limit of the median class is value of L. So L is equal to 74. Frequency of the median class is F. So F is equal to 85. Cumulative frequency of the previous class of the median class is CF. Median class, previous class. So cumulative frequency is 99. So CF is equal to 99. Class width. Class width of median class when classes are continuous. So 79 minus 74. 79 minus 74, the difference is 5. Now let us substitute the values. Capital L 74 plus N by 2 value 100 minus CF value 99, F 85 into H class width 5. So it will be 74 plus 100 minus 99, it is 1. 1 upon 85 into 5 can be simplified. 5 ones are, remainder is 3. 5 sevens are. So it will be 74 plus 1 upon 17 can be mentioned as 74 plus 1 upon 17. If we will divide 1 by 17, it will give 0.1 is divided by 17. So as 0, because 1 is not divisible, 1 is smaller than 17. So 1, because of decimal point, we will convert into 10. Again 10 is smaller than 17. So 10 is smaller than 17. So we need to consider 0. 10 will convert into 100. 100 upon 17. 17 6 are 102. 17 5 are 85. 100 minus 85, it remains 15. So because of decimal point, that 15 will convert into 150. 17 8s are 136. So till 2 digit also it is okay. If it is okay till 0.05 as well. Now the final will come, addition of 74 and 0.05. Median is equal to 74.05. In an average, speed of cars on that national highway will be 74.05 kilometer per hour. We should not forget to write the unit if it is mentioned in the question. So here it is mentioned in the question that this is related to speed. Average speed of vehicles in kilometer per hour. So final answer should be 74.04 kilometer per hour is the median speed of the cars as per the information provided to us. Let us see the sum number 4, which is on the next page. That is last sum of this practice set. Then median questions will get covered. Then in the next video or in the next lecture we can continue with the next central tendency, that is mode. So sum number 4 I will just discuss. It will be your homework to complete it. What is given to us? The production of electric bulbs in different factories is shown in the following table. Find the median of the productions. So classes are number of bulbs produced in thousands, 30 to 40,000, then 40 to 50,000 bulbs, 50,000 to 60,000, 60 to 70,000 bulbs production, 70 to 80,000 bulbs production, 80 to 90,000 bulbs, and 90 to 100,000 bulbs production in factories. The production of electric bulbs in different factories. So it is not mentioned that it is weekly or monthly. Yes, production is given. Okay. Now number of factories. 12 factories are there which produce 30,000 to 40,000 bulbs. Then 35 factories are there which produce 40,000 to 50,000 bulbs in the factory. 20 factories are there. The production is in between 50,000 to 60,000. 15 companies are there which produce 60,000 to 70,000 bulbs. 8 companies are there. The production is 70 to 80,000. 7 companies are there produces 80,000 to 90,000 bulbs, and there are 8 companies which produce 90,000 till 100,000 bulbs. Now value of n. Addition of these 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 5, 19, 19 plus 8, 27, plus 8, 35. So 5 carry 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 3, 105. N by 2, 105 upon 2, 2 5s are, 2 4s are, and decimal point. 54.5 CF. First CF as it is 12. 12 plus 35, 47. 47 plus 20, 67. 67 plus 15, 82. 82 plus 8, 100. Then 107 and 115. There is some, because see, I found that this and this is different. So let us see the calculation again. 12 plus 35, 47 plus 20, 67. 82. 82 plus 8, yes, it is 90, not 100. So problem is here. 82 plus 8, it will be 90. 90 plus 7, 97. 97 plus 8, 105. Now see, the last CF and n value is matching. We have to find out median class. For that, the first class where CF is more than 54.5, 12 is less than 54.5, 47 is also less than 54.5. This is the class where the CF is more than 54.5. So this is median class. So value of L is 50, value of F is 20, value of CF is 47, and H is the difference between upper and lower limit when the classes are continuous. So 50 to 60 is the class. So value of H will come 60 minus 50, that is 10. F is 20, CF is 47, capital L is 50. You have to substitute the values in median formula and to get the median production of bulbs by these bulb production companies. So this will be your homework question for today. We'll stop it here for today. We completed 6.2 practice set which is based on median. Have a nice day. Thank you.